Hello, welcome to How to Grow. In this video it's just an update to the lemon seeds that I put into germinate on the 10th of January, and it's now the 30th of January, so it's been a few weeks now. So I'm just going to open them up and see if they're actually germinating, and if they are, we'll put them into pots. So, have a little look. Something's going on there in there. Thing open. There we go. And you can see there's a couple of germinated there. Not so well. Let's have a look at the other side pack. Right, so that one looks like it's just starting to do something. Same with that one there, but this one here is definitely going. And this one is actually growing into the kitchen towel a little bit, so I need to be careful. Pull that out. Okay. So I'll leave the other ones in for a bit longer because they haven't really done much, but I shall put these two into pots. But that's after around 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks. So obviously that's the root that's going down into the soil, and the leaves will come out the top here. Same with this one. So what I'll do then, I'm going to put these two into pots of soil I've just done. Now this soil, with all lemon trees and citrus trees, or any of the citrus trees really, they need good drainage. So a sandy, loamy soil, light soil, nothing that's compact or heavy like clay, because they just won't do well in that. And this soil here is actually a mixture of coco peat. Well, I would say 70% coco peat in there, and some standard compost, which is quite light as well. I've mixed that together, and I've also added a bit of grit in there, just a little. And also it's got around 5% sand, which maybe, I mean, you could put more in there actually to increase the drainage, but say the coco peat's quite free draining as well. That's quite light in there, nice and airy. Just tap it to make sure there's no air bubbles. But if you want to create extra drainage, you can put some rocks in the bottom, some stones in the bottom, some broken pots of some sort, you know, or polystyrene. You can break that up and put it in the bottom. Anything to create a bit of drainage, and just put it into the bottom of the pot. Say around that sort of depth. I mean, this is a small pot, but when you put in a bigger pot as well, always have a bit of drainage in the bottom, and it gives a bit of air and allows water to drain away. And citrus lemons, they hate being in soggy soil, so keep them moist but not wet. So I'm just going to put a little hole in the centre of this here. It's very light soil. If you're thinking of using garden soil or anything like that, I wouldn't recommend it if it's very heavy, like clay. I'm just going to put that down in the soil, just gently. I'm just going to put a little bit over the top. I'm not going to compress it down too much and tap it, then I shall water it. I should put one in there, and I should put one in here. See, that root goes down bottom, and that's coming into leaf now, so I don't want to put too much soil over the top. But I will keep it moist, don't let them dry out. And don't make them soggy. But say with this sort of soil, if you've got the right soil mix, you can water them regularly as misting them or watering them. It will drain straight through, so it won't remain soggy. I shall put these back in their bags and give them another week or two, I should think. So just move these aside. So yeah, now I'll put those somewhere in a light position, not near a radiator or anything like that, just somewhere warm and fairly light. And I say keep them moist. And I should do another update on these probably in another couple of weeks to see how they're coming on. And hopefully the other ones will be ready to do by then. And then also I'll be doing the updates for the other videos of the lavender and the lychee and the mango in the coming days as well, and also some cherries. Growing some cherry trees from seed. And hopefully the 29-year-old seeds I've planted also, hopefully we'll have some news on those in the next week or two. So do subscribe and like, and keep up to date with the videos. I'll see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye for now.